Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to calculate your UTerra investment profit. Before I start, I want you to understand that when you buy UTerra lots, it's different from shares in the sense that when you are investing in the UTerra project, you will not see your investment adding to the number of your UST shares. Rather, if you want to check your investment, you would find them under UTerra section of your back office, then you come to my lots. Alright, having said that, your lots tell you the amount of profit that you will receive from the project, just like shares tell you the amount of profit you will receive from the commercial implementation of the UST project. So for UST you have shares, for UTerra you have lots, but they do the same purpose of telling you how much profit you will receive. Now the UTerra lots gives you exact calculation of profit. Now some people will ask, for UST for example, they will ask questions like how much do you think this thing will be listed at? What price do you think it will enter into the stock market? What is the possibility or what is the potential amount that investors will receive as dividends? And sometimes you ask these questions, you cannot get direct answer because nobody sees the future to know how much profit the company will make and all of the other variables to give you exact answer. But with UTerra production facility, you can estimate the amount of production per year. And when you have already said, okay, this is how much the products will be sold for, you can actually estimate the annual profit of the company. And on the basis of that, you can make almost exact calculation of what the investors' profit will be. Which is why when you come to the UTerra lot and you check the investment packages, you see that each one of them tells you the percentage of the profit you will get from the company when you are making one-off investment, like you see here, or when you are making installment payment. Now let's use this as an example. You see the company is expected to pay 20% of profit back to investor. Now what is that 20%? 20% is the company's net profit is expressed as a percentage of the funds that were invested in the development of the project. From this amount, profit distribution will be made. That means when you are investing, say for example $100,000, just know that 20% of $100,000 is what the company is expecting to pay as profit to people in this investment category of $100,000. And on the basis of what the company pays, these people who have made this investment will now get 55% of that 20%. So let's do the calculation. Although the calculation has already been done, but let us see how they arrived at this particular amount as expected annual return. Now, $100,000 is what you invested. Then 20% of $100,000, let me pull up my calculator so that, okay, so 20%, I think 20% multiplied by, okay, this doesn't work that way. Let me do it this way. 100,000, oh, okay, let me start over. $100,000 times 20% equals to $20,000. Now, $20,000, 55% of $20,000. So that $20,000 times 55%. 55% gives us $11,000, which is what the company is going to pay to investors who make $100,000 in this project every year. So you invest $100,000, you can expect to receive $11,000 yearly. But if you had done the installment of 10 months, that's to say you are not getting 55 but 52%. So if you multiply $20,000 times 52%, you will see that your returns will be different, and that will give you $10,400. Now I'm going to do the lower packages, and you can see that the lower packages, they have lower returns, percentage return. Now for the $500 package, which is the lowest, you have 26% if you make the full payment and 24% if you pay in installments. So let us look at what that will give you. So let's again pull up the calculator and run the numbers. Now first of all, what is 20% of $500? So 20% of $500 is $100. Now, what is 26% of $100? Okay, $100 multiplied by 26% gives us $26, which is what you expect to receive per year if you make $500 investment in this project. I hope that clarifies all the questions concerning how much profit you should receive in the UTerra investment. Thank you.